friends, I want to share a little project that I have been doing. I will link the original video I had seen and the creator of what are called knotted birds. You take double-sided paper, and this is a piece of junk mail that had come, so I am upcycling and repurposing at the same time. So your paper can be any width you would like, it can be any length you would like. The bigger the paper, obviously, the bigger the bird. So you simply take your paper strip and tie it into a knot. And then I have been taking one end, oh, this piece is a little bit long. I've been taking that one end and just tucking it in. And then you take and you round one of the corners. And just for demonstration purposes for this one, this bird's beak is just going to be white. Whoops. Oh, that's a way too big a blob of glue. But, well, I'll just take some of that off. So, oh, that's cute. It's got a little polka dot on the end. So then you just add your beak, and you add your eye. You can do one side or two sides if you want to glue it down. So there is the little bird. Now this tail is quite long, but I'll just leave that to show. So there's my little knotted paper bird. I think what I'll do, I'll take a shorter piece so that you can see with a smaller piece of paper. And they come out just darling. Let's see now which, I guess I'll go to this end. And so you just round that one corner. And that one almost looks like a beak. And you just take your marker to make your eye. And I think that one I will just leave just like that. And that will bring me then to my journal. I will be sharing into hashtag Artisan Journal Prompt 2025. So here's my Artisan Journal. Hashtag Artisan Journal Prompt 2025. And if I didn't say, I am Lori June. I am co-hosting this collab with Kiki from over at Kiki and Sean. So this week's, this is one of my favorite quarterbacks. For those of you who are football fans, he used to play for the Green Bay Packers, my favorite team. So anyway, we are in week 26. Week 26 prompt was red, white, and blue. So here is my little red paper knotted bird. Aren't they just so cute? So here's one with solid paper. Here's the one I just demonstrated with the double-sided paper. And here's one with, this was single-sided paper as well, but I thought he came out kind of cute too, and I just added some off-cut papers for tails. So I hope you can, oh, that's a cute little rose. I hope you can start making your paper birds. And if you do, please tag me and share so that I can come over and see your paper bird creation. I said I'll just tuck that part in See how quick and easy? This one, I guess I'll cut the tail off a little shorter. I hope I'm recording. Yes. And then I'll round that end. And let's see, here's a bright orange triangle right there. I'll give this bird a big beak. My spot of glue. And with that double. Oh, they are so cute. So show me your paper knotted birds. And thank you for sharing thank you for joining me for my red, white, and blue page for Artisan Journal Prompt 2025. Looks like my sky today, we've had rain off and on, and it is much cooler in my world. So thanks everyone for joining me. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I'm going to fly off with the dogs and take them for a walk. Cheep, 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 cheep.